Welcome to the weekend crypto news roundup. My name is Artie with CoinCasso. We're going to go over the top news articles over the weekend that happened in the cryptocurrency world so that you guys can stay informed and up to date on everything in regards to cryptocurrency. Let's get into this first article, which states the Fed stands ready to replace infected greenbacks with clean bills. Basically, what this article is saying is that the Federal Reserve, the centralized bank that governs the United States, is ready to take all dirty bills, chop them up into little pieces and burn them probably, or recycle, however they work, and replace them with clean bills. Because of the recent pandemic, a lot of people are concerned with contact and different things and germs and using hand sanitizer. So this is actually a really good option to just get them out of circulation, print new ones. But the only issue I have with this is allowing the Fed free rein to print a ton of money. I don't know if this is good. I don't know if they will stay within the confines of their legal obligations. I know that governments have a tendency to become corrupt, especially when certain people are in charge of different aspects of our government and the entire society. So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt that they're doing this for good purposes. But if you'd like to, I've linked all of the articles down below. Check it out. You can get more information by reading the full article. Next up in the news, however, is the company Coinbase. They stated that they broke traffic records, seeing massive volume during the market collapse. I'm going to read this first sentence here because it's really interesting. The San Francisco-based cryptocurrency exchange said it processed $2 billion in crypto last Thursday and Friday. For comparison, Coinbase saw 394 million in volume over the past 24 hours. That's 6 times more than usual. The reason this is important is because here at CoinCasso, we are also a cryptocurrency exchange launching next week. So if our company can do that type of volume within 24 hours with our structure of profit sharing with our CCX token holders, that means 20% of the profits stay with the company, 80% of the profits get distributed. So every single one of those $2 billion worth of transactions gets dispersed to our users and our CCX token holders. So jump on CoinCasso, register, get ready for this weekend when we launch. Back into the article, however, we are seeing this because of the distress across the entire globe. People wondering where to put their money as a safe haven. Historically, people have put their money into gold when currencies go down. But now we have another option. We have cryptocurrencies, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Litecoin, and people are moving their money into safer, decentralized cryptocurrencies because people are actually adapting the technology. This is becoming widespread and growing so fast. Again, I've linked the article down below. You can get the full read. It's a quick article. Consume it really quick, and we're going to get on to the next article. This one says, Bitcoin bumps up, but for how long? ? As traditional markets continue to struggle with the crisis, cryptocurrencies are seeing an upward swing in both price and volume. Now crypto traders are wondering how long this new rally will last. Basically, the person that wrote this article is a massive pessimist. When things go up, he thinks they're not going to last forever. He sees the economy trending in a downwards direction. So the pessimistic way to look at it is saying that nothing's going to be good, everything's going to go down. However, in my personal opinion, I think that cryptocurrencies are going to have a nice upswing. People are going to be moving their money from their fiat currencies into cryptocurrency, causing more volume, causing the price to increase. So basically, in my opinion, this article was just written to catch attention. I really wouldn't pay it too much attention, but if you guys want to take a read, it is linked down below. And the last article that I want to talk about today is one of the most interesting to me because it says the US should use stablecoins for emergency epidemic payments. Basically, this is an opinion article saying what the US government should do in times of crisis like this. If you think about the $1 trillion bailout that President Trump has initiated to help out the people of the United States, to help them through this entire crisis, think about how much easier it would be besides instead of like sending a check to every single American saying, hey, here's $1,000, put it back into the economy, pay your bills, do whatever you need to do, just start spending again. Instead of doing that, you could take a stable coin like the USDT, which is the US dollar token, make immediate transactions and disperse all of these funds as quickly as possible with the least amount of friction, preventing the spread of even the postal service moving all of these envelopes. The less things that are in motion and the more digital it can become, the faster this transaction will happen, the faster the economy can get back to normal. This actual stimulus package could do good if it was executed quickly. So for the government to actually adapt a technology like a cryptocurrency, that would be a huge move. And if people actually saw the US government adopting cryptocurrencies as an actual form of currency and payment, the rest of the population would follow suit, and we would see a massive increase in cryptocurrency volume, usage, and adaptation. Again, all the articles are linked below, guys. I really enjoyed covering the news with you today. Please don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join us again tomorrow where we cover the news again, as well as the current Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dash prices every single morning. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to register on CoinCasso.com. Our exchange is launching at the end of this week, so get on there and get trading.